Alright, snack or pass, fat loss edition. Coke Zero. Actually, if you're trying to lose fat, this is definitely a snack. 0 calories helps you stay on track and satisfy that sweet craving without reaching for something high in calories. Protein bar. Sounds healthy on paper, but mostly high in calories and sometimes high in sugar, and it's not very filling. So I would say there are better options. Pass. Trail mix or mixed nuts. Very easy to overeat, super high in calories, not filling at all, so that's a hard pass for me. Greek yogurt, high in protein. This is very filling, very versatile, and low in calories. Definitely a snack. Healthy doesn't always mean optimal for fat loss. That's why you could be eating healthy and still not lose fat if you're not aware of these details.